Hey y'all, what's up? I'm at the skate park, Camp Foster skate park right now. Thankfully, due to the emptiness, free from any sort of quarantine procedures right now. It's getting kind of heavy out here. In terms of that, we're gonna hit some skating, maybe for the last time, until a long time, until this all blows over. I'm trying to update y'all, but this is the board setup right now. Got my mouse, Rick plate, got the pickle Rick board, we got the freaking easy streaks, got bones, we got the bones hard bushing, we got the Swiss bearings. That might not be bones. What is that? I'm gonna tell you what these are and correct myself. I only have, let's not do that. I only have a little bit of time out here, so I'm just gonna hit some stuff, hopefully hit it, and post this video. So let's get it. Also, yeah, did I say the Hero 8? Yeah, good camera. Let's get it. Two tries. Honestly, I thought that would take a lot longer than it took. Huh. How much time do I got? Alright, so I pretty much am good now. I got about 5 minutes. Crazy that I hit both of those. I hit the first trick. Literally, I've been trying that for like forever. And for some reason, I could not land the Ollie up onto this thing. But I got it. And aside from that, that too, I forgot the name of that trick. I'll put it somewhere here. Literally, like, I've been trying that. I literally came here for like probably like 45 minutes, half an hour, just trying that, and I barely got it. And then now I just hit it on second attempt. So I don't know, maybe it's these dingy shoes, I don't know what it is, but I've been doing good. One more thing, my strawberry milkshake, aka I think it's also called No Comply, we'll see if we can hit one of those. I have very limited time. Yeah, about 5 minutes, so let's see if I can hit it. All right, so those are a couple attempts. I didn't quite get it, but there's one more thing I want to try, and that's a shove it going up ramp. So let's get it. Once again, first try. Really impressed by that. That's kind of crazy, but we gotta head out now. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know it was really quick, but yeah, I really haven't got a chance to make a video because of all this quarantine stuff. So hold up, quarantine mode off, probably have more content. I've been skating a lot more and I've been doing well, so it's been something I've been keep doing. Anyways, I gotta go now. Have a good night, day, afternoon. And yeah, thanks for supporting the channel, yo.